So I'm going to start programming my strength workouts and my HIIT workouts. I just previously did some running workouts that I programmed onto my watch from the Garmin Connect app, which you can check in the video next to me right now. But I'm currently clicking on the More button, clicking Training and Planning, clicking Workouts, and creating a workout because I want to make a strength workout right now, and then I'm making my HIIT workout right after. So my strength training, you go and click the strength button, and there's a lot of steps here. This can be confusing. This can be easy. It can be hard. I'm going to make it easy because I'm in the easy stage of working out. So I am only going to do 3 movements. So you're going to want to hit add sets for depending on how many movements you want to do. I'm going to have a warm up here. I'm not going to set a time to it. I'm usually just moving my body, but let's start with the first exercise. We're going to say for this exercise, I want to be doing curls. So we're going to do dumbbell curls. Standing alternating dumbbell curls. The weight I can add right now or I can add later. Right now, I'm going to say I'm going to be using my 25s. I'm going to say done. And then I'm going to do the target reps. I'm going to say 8. And I am going to leave it like that because I know I'm going to do it slow and controlled. But if you want, you can put some notes in here. Slow and controlled down. Boom. Got that in there. All right, so now I'm going to go in and I'm going to set the rest. Let's do, it's the lap button. We're going to say the time, and we're going to say I have to rest for at least 40 seconds. Done. Next workout. If you're watching this right now and you're going through me making this workout and it's seeming like more work than you actually want to do, then check out the video that's right above me right here. You click it and you're going to get a video that's going to be a step-by-step on how to do this by just choosing workouts that are on the Garmin Connect app. All right, so then my next movement, I want to do some back squat. We're going to leave the weight for when I'm in the actual exercise to type in, and we're going to do back squat. We're going to do, we'll just say 135 for today. We're going to warm back up into this. I haven't lifted since before my marathon. And we're going to do 8 reps as well. They're legs. We're going to do 10. We're going to do 10 reps. Man, I don't know. We're doing 8. We're doing 8. Going back. Boom. We got that. We'll do the rest for a full minute this time. 1 minute. Done. This next one, I want to hit, we're going to hit some deadlifts. We're going to do some barbell straight leg deadlifts. It's going to be 10 reps. We're going to keep the weight around, we'll do 135 as well. And just like that, I have my strength workout planned out. All I need to do is hit the save button, say strength workout 1. Now I have the workout, but there's one more step. You got to go in, sync it to your watch, and then click the more button and add it to your calendar, which I want to do this tomorrow. So I'll hit that. Boom. So I have my strength workout made. Now it's time for me to make my HIIT workout. So let's go on back here. We're going to go back to workouts. We're going to say create a workout. We're going to say HIIT. Now from here, I'm just going to straight up be like, I'm going to do 10 rounds, and then I'm going to skip the last rest. And from there, I'm going to choose my exercise, and I know what I'm doing. I am going to do burpees. Burpees. I'm going to do it for 1 minute. We're going to do a minute of burpees. Let's do that. And we're going to come back here, and the rest is going to be 1 minute as well. And that's just going to be the workout. I kept it really simple because I just wanted to have a simple HIIT workout, which to me, 10 minutes of burpees is a lot of work, honestly. Delete warm up, delete the cool down. Boom. Okay. We're going to have the HIIT workout. We're going to hit number 1. And now I have that workout created. We're going to save it. And we're going to add to calendar. Do it on Thursday. And there we have it. I have my strength workout plan for the week, and I have my HIIT training workout plan for the week. I want you to check out the next video that's up at the box to the right because it's going to teach you how to not do this tedious process of creating your own workout. It's going to show you how to utilize the workouts that are in the Garmin app to schedule out your workouts without you having to do every single set and rest rate. It has all these options for you. You can just click from them. So check out that video. And as I got your attention, I'm pretty sure you're going to like this video as well.